Hello. In this video, you will learn how to book a hotel in Korean. Follow the conversation between the customer and the hotel staff. Let's get started.
Hi. We're here to check in. The name on the reservation is Smith.
여기 체크인하러 왔어요. 예약한 이름은 스미스입니다.
Okay, let me check. Can I see the credit card and ID of the person who made the reservation?
네, 확인해 보겠습니다. 예약자의 신용카드와 신분증을 보여주세요.
Sure, here you go.
여기 있습니다.
Thank you. Your reservation is confirmed, and here's your key. You'll be staying in a standard room, number 402. Take the elevator up to the 4th floor and it's right on the right side.
감사합니다. 예약 확인되었고, 여기 열쇠입니다. 스탠다드룸 402호입니다. 엘리베이터를 타고 4층으로 올라가면 바로 오른쪽에 있습니다.
Got it, thank you.
알겠습니다. 감사합니다.
Check-in time starts at 3 p.m. It's only 1 p.m. now. Would you like to use the swimming pool or relax somewhere?
체크인 시간은 3시부터입니다. 아직 일시이니까 수영장이나 휴식을 취하시겠어요?
That's a great idea. Shall we head to the swimming pool?
그래요. 좋은 생각이에요. 수영장으로 가볼까요?
Sure. Did you bring your swimsuit?
좋아요. 수영복은 가져오셨나요?
Yeah, I did.
네, 가져왔어요.
Great. The swimming pool is located on the 5th floor. You can use your key to open the door.
좋아요. 수영장은 5층에 있습니다. 키를 사용하시면 문이 열립니다.
Got it, thank you.
알겠습니다. 감사합니다.
Have a nice day.
좋은 하루 되세요.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
Today, I studied Korean conversation for hotel reservation. Thank you for your hard work. Please press subscribe and like so that the channel can grow. I hope this video helped improve your Korean skills. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.